Hello friends, welcome to Gokul Tech, day number 38 of Power BI DAX functions. Today in this video we are going to see yet another DAX functions in Power BI. Previously we have discussed 37 different Power BI DAX functions. If you are watching our channel for the first time and if you are feeling you have missed out 37 days of different DAX functions, not to worry. We have provided the complete playlist link in our description box. You can go ahead and you can watch it. And if you are feeling like we need to improvise our content or our video, please provide your valuable comment in our comment box so that we can improvise our video in upcoming sessions. So today in text tags functions we are going to deal with search function. How this search function is used in day-to-day life and how we are going to use it now. We are going to see it with a complete example. Let's start with the today's session. I'm going to create a new column, naming it as search. It's equal to search. So ideally it says the syntax is find text within the text start position not find value, which means it almost similar to the search function but it's quite different. What is that meaning? It's returns the starting position of one text within the string. Search is not a case sensitive. So this is not a case sensitive, but it will give you the starting position of the text from where it is going to start. Okay, let's give the value of t, comma, where we are going to give it in test. The start position, let's give it as 1, and then we are going to close the bracket. We got our value. I am just putting it over here. So it says the position of the t is in 1. So let's say if I want to suppose if I want to go with E, right? Now I'm going to change it to E. Let's see what is the result we are going to get it for E. So ideally we got the answer as 2. So that E position is 2 in test. But if you give small t or capital letters T, it is giving 1. The reason is because it's not a case sensitive. This is how we are going to use the search function in Power BI. Hope you have understood this video clearly. If you have any doubt, please post your queries in our comment box. We will try to reach you as soon as possible and give you the best answer. With this, we are coming up to end of this particular session. So tomorrow we are going to deal with yet another exciting function in Power BI. We'll meet you in a next video. Until then, bye from Google Tech. Thank you and Jai Hind.